In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Managed by Organization error in Google Chrome. So saying Managed by Organization in Chrome, even in your personal PC, that usually means a browser policy or extension is controlling settings. So here's how to remove it quickly and safely. So to start, open Chrome and type in the address bar. So copy this and press enter. Now in here, if you see active policies under policy name, that's what's causing the message. So remove them if you see anything in here. Now the second step is to remove suspicious extensions. So to start, open a new tab, click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down and tap on settings. At the left side, scroll down and look for extensions, click on it. Now once you're in here, look for unknown or recently added extensions and click on remove. Click on remove to confirm. So you might have to put in the reason why you want to remove that. So extensions can add policies without you noticing. So make sure to remove them if you see one. Now another thing you can do is to go back to settings. Click on reset settings at the left side. Click restore settings to the original defaults and click on reset settings to confirm. So this removes unwanted configs and policies. Now, if that still doesn't resolve your issue, what you can do is to press Windows R and in here type in regedit, click on OK, click on yes, and type this code right here. So copy and paste this code in here. So let's copy this one and at the top, paste it in here. Click on enter. So it will open Chrome. So you see here Google and click on Chrome. Now right click on it and delete the folder. So this removes enforced policies causing the message. So just click on yes to remove it. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.